2-year-old missing in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have activated a high alert for a 2-year-old boy who has been identified as Jamil Mendez of Rasta Corner, Freetown in Clarendon, who has been missing since Thursday, May the 12th. Jamil is of brown complexion, slim built and about 75 centimeters tall, or 2 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Lamville Park Police are that at about 5 p.m., Jamil Mendez was last seen at home, dressed in a yellow t-shirt, grey shorts, and blue navy slippers. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Jamil Mendez is being asked to contact the Lamville Park Police Station at 876-902-5047, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Continuing the news. Popular Jamaican broadcaster, veteran in the business, Barbara Gloudon has passed away. This voice will forever rest on the hearts and minds of many for the years to come.
People would not feel impelled to seek criminal solution, and that is a hard one, a long-term one. It's also how you get the community to become part of it. When Giuliani came down like the Avenging Angel on New York and started roughing it up, and you forget that people are beaten in New York too, and beaten in wherever. What he had to do was to get the community on his side. Some efforts have been made here, their neighborhood watches.
The veteran broadcaster and theatre legend Miss Barbara Gloudon has passed away. Miss Gloudon passed away in hospital on Wednesday night. She was a former columnist at the Jamaica Observer. Mrs. Gloudon's husband, Ansel, a former actor, food technologist, orchid enthusiast, died on April 30. He was aged 89 years old. Miss Gloudon hosted a talk show for 30 years known as Hotline and was a chair of the Little Theatre movement. Having received numerous awards and honors, Miss Gloudon was bestowed with the Order of Jamaica in 1992 and in 2012 became a Fellow of the Institute of Jamaica. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to her family and friends. Condolences also poured in from both sides of the political aisle, from Prime Minister Andrew Holness and the opposition leader Mark Goldin. Mr. Holness posted on his social media account, "I am deeply saddened by the passing of veteran broadcaster, journalist and playwright Barbara Gloudon. I grew up listening to Barbara Gloudon on the radio. She was known for her no-nonsense analysis and commentary. Barbara Gloudon was also the chair of the Little Theatre movement," posted by Andrew Holness. In another post from the leader of the opposition, Mark Goldin, heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of Barbara Gloudon. A voice of compassion for most of our lives, she won a place in the hearts with her common senses and balanced reasoning. We have lost an iconic journalist, a mentor for many, and an example for all. R.I.P. Miss Gloudon, the opposition leader posted. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.